easier because I accidentally pressed the wrong button. Okay, so now we are on to dish number 2. 2.
Rip.
So, can we have dish number 2, please?
Hello, matey.
It's not that.
My name is Charlie, and I have dish number 2. There it is.
He's gonna do different answers on each one. Okay. So this time we're gonna switch it up. Now we're gonna trade. They both have gummy food, but we just want to do it cool. So it's my turn first. So I'm gonna trade.
Oh God.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Banana! There's the gummy with some sugar in it. And here's the regular. Oh no. Ah! Okay. So, I'm gonna eat my gummy first.
What do you think, Dylan? That looks nasty.
I still don't like it.
The gummy? The gummy is okay, but pretty chewy.
I don't know, not tonight, buddy.
Okay, so now we have to try the real food,
Oh yeah.
which is the banana.
That one looks pretty nasty.
This big one
Yeah.
is not that good. It's really sugary. Maybe like a little less sugar. And that's chewy. It kind of reminds me of a peep. Like those little things you have on Easter.
Except like,
Okay, so
I went for it.
Awful.
It's definitely not ready.
I like that.
It's definitely not ready.
Okay.
We got it from a green banana.
That looks pretty nasty. I think
On to dish
plate number 3 might be a lot better.
3.
Okay, so I pressed the right button this time, and we are on to dish number 4.
3.
3. Wait.
See.
Yeah. Okay, so bring on dish number 3. And this time, there is not a gummy in
Okay,
here.
close your eyes and my dad's gonna mix it up.
Stranded. I've been searching for an hour
Okay,
for the
done.
plates that brought me
Done,
here.
done.
It's clear to me now
Done.
they're gone.
Okay, dish number 3.
Okay, rock, paper, scissors, who goes first?
Stranded.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I did
Yes, okay.
I did not touch that plate. I did not inhale those fruit cocktails. I did
I'm
not
gonna
touch those
switch.
plates.
No, we're not doing it like
Yeah,
that.
we're doing that. We're gonna do that.
I didn't do it. It wasn't me.
Okay.
Dish. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
No! Got the gummies. I got the gummies. No, you have to show them.
I got.
Strawberries. Want to taste some?
Is it good?
Did you have both?
Is it good?
The gummy bears. Dylan has the strawberries.
This is good. I need to taste the green part though.
And you gotta bust out with, for that I'd say amen. For that I'd say amen. For that I'd say alright, alright, alright. And for that I'd say just keep living.
I mean, pretty good. But it's so cute. I bit it.
Can I try it?
Well, alright, alright, alright.
Okay.
I think it'd be pretty cool if you guys ate those a lot quicker.
Okay. You want me to eat quicker?
And then you get the whole...
Okay.
I think you get a lot more fans if you did.
Number 4. Okay, we're back and we are ready for dish.
Okay, we're gonna close our eyes for 5 seconds and my dad's gonna switch them up.
Yeah, man. I got dish number 4 up in this crazy household. Come on now. I got dish 4. You ready for dish 4 up in the hood?
Okay, done.
I got it right here now. Come on. Shoot.
Done. If you get 2 or something, don't eat both of them because I want to try one too.
Okay, it's your turn.
You'll be tripping over there with dish 4.
I don't know because they're both gummies.
Say dish fork.
Dish.
I don't know.
I'm gonna keep.
Oh, I think you got the eggs.
2. What?
Oh my God! I'm gonna waste those. Don't even waste those.
I'm gonna eat the puff, whatever.
These are for tomorrow.
No. Dylan, you take this one because I want to try it. Okay.
These are for tomorrow, sis. They're for tomorrow.
I just added them.
These eggs over here for.
You can't be wasting these things, sis. Come on.
Are
You
these?
gotta go out to the
They're
car.
not.
The car and get the
Look
groceries.
at how cool that
I think
is.
these are better.
Are they good?
I mean, this is
But you want-
ridiculous, sis.
So first, I'm
We're
gonna
gonna
eat.
be up all night over here.
So first, I'm
Wow.
gonna.
I'm gonna. Okay, we're gonna eat the same thing at the same
Okay, so
time.
first I'm going to eat this yolky part.
Okay.
That tastes like an orange.
And you want some tea or something?
No,
You mean like hot tea?
no.
You get some hot tea?
They
Okay.
haven't seen that movie just yet. Not just,
And now we're gonna eat the white part.
they don't know.
That's more cool, right? I know.
It's orangey.
It's like really orangey, like. So, out of all of them, wait, I have to try this one. I have to try this one.
That's disgusting.
Perfect match to you.
No, that is not so disgusting.
No.
Alright. Oh!
Okay. So, guys, out of the strawberries and the raspberries and this plum and the egg and the banana, my
This
favorite.
was just a bonus round because we were not gonna cook an egg at 11 o'clock.
What's your favorite, sis?
My favorite were the strawberries.
What's your favorite, bro?
Strawberry too.
Okay.
Wait, I need to find more.
It's been fun.
Yes.
We
I don't
hope
like
you've
this.
enjoyed the film.
We'll see you next time. And bye.